Hi, I'm Mark Boyajian, and in this video, we're going to help you understand the signal quality bar in the XIRIUM Pro app. The XIRIUM Pro app is used to set up, monitor, and adjust the XIRIUM Pro system. One of the most important features, and the one that we'll be covering in this video, is the signal quality bar. Let's take a closer look at this unique and helpful tool. This is what the signal quality bar looks like. The goal of the bar is to provide not only the RF strength or RSSI level of the signal, which is indicated by the bars running from left to right, but the packet loss or quality of the RF signal. The loss is indicated by a traffic light color system. Green indicates 3% or less packet loss, amber between 3 and 5%, and red, which would be considered severe packet loss of 5% or more. This could result in the loss of audio. So when setting up the system, pay special attention to the color of the signal quality bars and not just the number of bars running from left to right. This will help to indicate the best possible signal for your system. Which brings us to what causes packet loss. Loss can come from signals received, which cancel each other out as they reach the antenna of a given receiver. This can happen since not only the direct signals will be received by the RX, but also reflected signals. That's why an unobstructed Fresnel zone is so important in any setup. We'll talk about that in a separate video. If the app indicates high packet loss, try moving the RX. This may reduce reflections and packet loss. Additionally, decreasing the transmission power can help to reduce reflections and cancellations. Devices operating on the same wireless channel can also cause packet loss. Devices like wireless lighting control and video can definitely lead to problems with the signal. And in that situation, the easiest way to determine if the channel is the cause is by simply adjusting the TX channel to a different channel. Once that's done, if the packet loss is reduced to amber or green, then you know that's where the issue is occurring. And by the way, with XIRIUM Pro, you can change channels live and not drop the audio. Now, let's talk about some brackets that appear on the top and bottom of the signal quality bar and help you understand what they indicate. If a given receiver is getting too much RF signal, which moves it towards or into overload, packet loss can increase dramatically. Where available, lowering the transmission power on the TX, increasing the distance to the TX, or engaging the 30 dB attenuator in the app can help put the signal quality back in the green. Neutrik provides a sweet spot indicator to help find the optimal signal level. This is also found on the signal quality bar. If the signal is in the green but not within the sweet spot bracket, it's okay, as long as the signal does not go into low or overload brackets. A few seconds in the low bracket is definitely not a problem, but you should avoid being there too long, since you might have a no-link condition. A no-link condition can indicate that you are out of range from the TX based on distance, or it may also indicate that the receiver or receivers need to be linked to the transmitter. A special note about XROC mode. If XROC mode is activated on the TX, the signal quality bar changes to reflect the increased RF headroom. This will be seen by a smaller, low signal bracket indicator. In this video, we detailed how to use and interpret the signal quality bar. For more information on the 30 dB attenuator and XROC mode, please see the videos containing those items. And thank you very much for watching. Enjoy the use of your XIRIUM Pro system.